Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have another NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 2. This time it is Dale Jr.'s 2022 Xfinity car. Now on the back you can get all the next gen cars and Dale Jr.'s Xfinity car. Let's get Dale Jr. out of his box. So here's the sticker, yellow and blue arrows with Hellman's mayonnaise and his classic 88. Here is Dale Jr. So Dale Jr. does race in the Xfinity Series, but only for one race. And this year he ran at Martinsville, and he finished, I think, in the top 10. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is an Xfinity car. It's the similar body shape of all his Xfinity cars, and the Xfinity cars are not next-gen cars. So obviously now the 88 is in the middle, like always. Always, like what happened in last year's Cup cars. Except this time the body is a lot bigger. So Hellman's mayonnaise, a new logo, obviously now with the blue and yellow stripes, a blue 88 on the side. Hellman's, a giant Hellman's sign. And there is the logo for Hellman's. Obviously this is something new, a new design Hellman's car compared to his previous Hellman's car. And when he competed in the Xfinity Series, he's the number 8. And now he gets to drive the 88 car for his only race at Martinsville. A yellow spoiler, same Camaro shape from last year. Blue hood. And that's it. Blue roof. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode. And if you want to check out more, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.